Are you trying to set up WhatsApp for business or personal use, but don't have an extra SIM card? Or maybe you just want to keep your personal phone number private? A virtual phone number is the perfect solution. With a virtual number, you can easily get verified on WhatsApp without needing a physical SIM card. This is great for managing multiple accounts or keeping your personal and business life separate. You can get a virtual phone number for as low as $1 from Vmobilenumber.com, which offers numbers from over 24 countries. Firstly, head on to Vmobilenumber.com. Once you're on the site, just pick the country you want the number from, whether it's the USA, UK, or anywhere else that works for you. After selecting your preferred country, select the duration you want, then insert in coupon code to get 50% off, and then click on Buy. In just a few moments, you'll have your virtual number ready to go. Next, open WhatsApp, and if you're setting up a business account, download WhatsApp Business from your App Store. Enter the virtual number you just got and proceed to the verification process. Once WhatsApp sends the verification code, head back to Vmobilenumber.com to check your messages. You'll find the code in your account dashboard. Copy it and paste it back into WhatsApp. That's it. You've successfully set up WhatsApp using your virtual phone number. Now you can chat with clients, friends, or family, all while keeping your personal phone number safe and secure. Plus, with virtual numbers available from all over the world, you can easily manage your business or personal accounts internationally. It's fast, easy, and completely hassle-free.